Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. I'm going to be posting this video on Christmas, so I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I figured I'd show you some nice blades that I got, early Christmas presents. Not too early though. I'm filming this on Christmas Eve, so you're going to see this right on time. Because I know a lot of you are home enjoying time with your families, and maybe you're taking a little break from that family get-together to watch some YouTube. So I wanted to just wish you happy holidays and connect with my viewers. Okay, so what did I get? Well, hold on. Let me show you the knife first. All right. Yeah, you like this? This is a BOKER. This is the BOKER Pocket Smatchet. Yes. All right, hold on. Let me tilt this down so you can get a better view of this sucker. Now, this is not the review. I've actually filmed a full review of this item, and all I have to do is edit it together. So that's going to be coming soon. Right, so this is just like a teaser. Yeah, this thing comes out like a dream. Nice. The pivot. It's like an auto. This is a manual action knife. All right, so it's a heavy blade, right? So you gotta be careful because once it gets to there, it's gonna close, right? But wow, this has a 4-inch blade of VG10 steel. It's a nice stone wash on the blade. I mean, look how pointed and look how broad that blade is. Yeah, I think this would serve many applications. Let's just say that. Yeah, the thing about BOKER is they have such a huge product line and they have such a price range on their product line that, they have a little bit of everything, and every once in a while, they'll make something like this that really catches my eye. Now, I bought this on sale. It was $70, but the normal price is around $100. I hope Santa brought you many deadly blades. No, not deadly. Knives are cutting tools. All right, so I hope Santa brought you many tools. All right, what else did I get? I got a pretty nice sword. Now this sword didn't really have a name, but I'll include a link. All right, so it's just a nice little straight sword. That's what that looks like. Now the blade length on this is about, it's 19.7 inches. So quite a short sword, and it's got a black blade. All right, maybe you can see that black blade a little better with this background. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, it's got a black blade. It's like Darth Vader's helmet. This is the sword bag that it came with. So this sword was $120, and that's really not bad. In the world of swords, that's actually really not so bad. I know I have swords that were way more pricey than this. So if you want a budget short sword, you might consider this. And the steel on this is T1095. This is a short straight sword, and that is really my favorite type of sword, a short straight sword, because in the modern world, if I'm on an open battlefield, I'm going to be using a ranged weapon, right? Most likely, you know what I mean? So, if I have a hand weapon, I want it to be optimized for close encounters, right? So a short sword like this, it's more handy in that regard. And I like the straight swords because they lend themselves to the thrust. You feel me? So it's a pretty handy little sword. It's definitely very fast, right? And good in close situations, right? So, yeah, definitely going to have some fun with this sword in the future. Right, I'll include that link to this sword. I believe they are still available. Hey, you want to see a knife trick? Want to see a knife trick that I learned from Callie? Little flip. The knife is faster. The knife is faster than the eye, perhaps. Don't drop it. Oh. Don't drop it, we all juggle knives. Oh no, this ain't we all drop knives. Alright, I hope you like that. Alright, YouTube, this has been We All Juggle Knives. Again, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And I hope the new year treats you, I hope it treats you better than this previous year has treated us. Alright, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.